Oh, welcome back to Lucore Automotive Services. Today we're working on an 03 Mustang drag and drive cruiser drag strip car. They drove this one here today from Chillicothe. It's a little bit away from here, down south as I recall. E85 tune. Full interior car. Gear jammer. That's a good looking ride, my man. Very nice. Very nice car. Let's get this thing on the rack, see if we can get it fixed up and going straight.
So good.
Austin's dream car in convertible.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. 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 That's awesome.
Yep. Very nice. Man, that is... How many miles are on this thing? Sir, I love your Mustang.
Less than mine. 59,000. Mine's got 62 on it. But he's got the quad cam, so.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice.
That's real nice.
That's real nice.
All right. Dang, that's sexy. That's not sexy. So we need to balance out our cambers. Caster's actually good enough. 5 to 6 degrees is usually what I shoot for. But we definitely need to even up our cambers. Rear camber needs to be evened up. I'm going to try and stand those up to 0 because this is mostly a straight line car. And get our toe squared up. We'll see what our lift is, toe in on lift is. And I'll go from there. Let's make some adjustments. Does this have tower adjusters? Hey, it does. Look at that. Oh, my eccentric washer's missing. Dang it. Let's see where that puts us. Hopefully that will be close. this side back together. Take that. So I was looking for zero. Basically, I want my tire to be straight up and down, get as much of the print of the tire onto the ground as I can. I basically adjusted both uppers out as far as they'll go, and I got -0.5 degree and -0.6 of a degree. They're within 1/10 of each other, so that's as much as I'm going to get, and I will take that. That's acceptable. So I'm going to set my toe in the rear, and then I will move up to the front. I have some camber adjustments to make on the passenger side, and probably reduce the negative camber on the driver's side, and then we'll keep moving forward. So it's pretty good. I did have to pull the wheels to make that upper control arm adjustment. There's just no room for my big mitts to get up in there and have any leverage on the bolt. So, and this one was actually missing the eccentric cam, so I wouldn't have been able to adjust it with the weight on the car anyway. So no big deal. Pull it off, put it back together, recomp the heads, start over. That's nice. So it was in less than a degree on lift. Don't need to worry about bump steer on this one. What can I do to even up my camber? I got my back squared up within 2/10 side to side. Ooh, it's getting hot today. Alright, what's going on with my camber? Let's take a look at that. Pretty nice car, sir. Thank you for bringing it to me to let me do some work to it. G-Force Performance Engineering drive shafts. He said he broke a couple shafts, which isn't all that surprising. What's your drive shaft rubbing on? Must not be rubbing on that anymore. Oh, that's a black stripe. But that's a rub spot right there. Maybe something was dragging on it. Doesn't look to be anything now. He was complaining about a rattle in the back. Probably that bracket. Or it might be baffles in the mufflers breaking loose. That's what it sounds like to me. A little bit of a rub mark there, depending on what's going on. Got a rub mark there. A couple of ground outs. Nice X-pipe and headers. Exhaust is melted through the fuel tank cover on both sides. Not too bad. So I ended up adjusting camber by elongating my lower bolt hole on this side to get my camber to match up. I'm at -1.5 1.6 degrees, negative camber, which on lift it's actually quite positive. But this one, even with the stock, it needs new boots. Even with the stock outer tie rod ends, the toe in on lift is acceptable. It's less than a degree and a half, so pretty nice car, sir. Thanks for letting me work on it. I appreciate it. Alright, well that's a wrap on another race car alignment. Let him take it out and see how he likes it. I think he's going to be pleased. It should handle a lot better without messing anything up. Full interior, AC, big charger, 6-speed. Very, very nice car. Like 60,000 miles on this car. It's beautiful. Thanks for letting me work on your car, sir. I appreciate you. You guys all have a good day. We'll see you on the next one.